Today I made just over $3,000 trading RGTI calls on Rigetti Computing, and this is exactly how I did it. You can see here we have this level at 2405 that was both resistance and support multiple times. So we can see here we have resistance and then support and then resistance again. Right? You can see that right here. Resistance, resistance, resistance. You know, this is a 1 hour time frame, so these wicks tell you a lot. And then we even have resistance in the pre-market this morning. From there, we're going to go down to the 5-minute time frame where we take our entries. We can see this is that level that we were talking about. Right here, resistance and resistance in the pre-market. What happens is the market opens, we get a strong push up, and then it comes back to our level and retests and puts in this big bottom wick right at this 2405 level and right on VWAP to the T. So we get on our calls from there. Stop loss is just underneath the highs from previous day. Very tight risk, just underneath VWAP. And our first profit target is right at the daily 20 SMA, which is almost a 6-to-1 risk to reward. From there, when we reach our first profit target, we take a trim of our position, we lock in profits. So you never want to see a trade go from profitable, that profitable at least, and then take you out for a stop. So we take some profits up top here, we move our stop loss to break even, and now it's a risk-free trade. And you can see how far this runs, right? We reject around our daily 20 SMA and this resistance. Price pulls back. It actually holds right above VWAP one more time. And then from there, we push up over the daily 20, we hold the daily 20, and it keeps going and keeps going. And you can see we took a few trims along the way for a great profit there. You know, this risk to reward, if we took the original position, was 10-to-1. And it's not that abnormal for us to catch stuff like this. You know, not necessarily daily. This was a nice one. It worked out really well, but you know, it happens very often. And you can see here that we showed our community ahead of time that our RGTI was looking good into the open. We were pushing up to that resistance level, which was right here, and we were waiting for a break and retest for our position. You know, those are the trades that we look for pretty much every day in Elite Trader Society. We teach everyone in our community how to do this. We always have play of the day where we show everyone what we're watching for, what we think our top positions are going to be for the day. So if you're interested in seeing how we do that, come check us out for free.